Welcome to the course on Analytics in the Identity Cloud. In this course, you will explain the purpose and structure of analytics reports within the system. You will apply best practices based on analytics insights to view, interpret, and take action. You will also analyze runtime analytics to make informed decisions and optimize performance. Analytics is an essential component of Savynt's intelligence solution. Let's get started with an overview of the analytics reports. Savynt's analytics solution allows you to create reports using built-in queries. These reports help you monitor activity, track access, and gain insights from the platform. You also have the flexibility to build custom reports using SQL or Elasticsearch queries. These queries pull data from the Saviynt database or the connected Elasticsearch server. So, depending on your configuration and access, you can tailor reports to meet your organization's needs. Additionally, system logs stored in these locations can be used as a data source to generate reports. This makes analytics a powerful feature not only for compliance, but also for operational visibility. Let's explore the key features of Savynt's analytics module. First, Saviynt provides a wide range of out-of-the-box controls. These pre-built analytics policies and reports can be deployed quickly, saving time and effort. Next, the platform supports AI and machine learning-driven analytics. This means Saviynt can analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns, trends, or anomalies that might be missed through manual review. You also get actionable analytics, insights that don't just sit in a report, but trigger automated responses or feed into workflows. Another powerful feature is the visualization of data and risks. This helps you quickly spot threats, compliance gaps, or unusual behavior through intuitive dashboards and visual tools. And finally, Saviynt delivers data-rich analytics to simplify intelligence gathering. This means deeper context around access, user behavior, and risk, all in one place. These features enhance decision-making and ensure proactive risk management across your identity ecosystem.